See here in this problem, here an amplifier is given here. So for this amplifier, an input voltage equal to 30 microvolts, an output voltage equal to 600 millivolts is given. So then what is the voltage gain? So according to the definition of voltage gain, so it is defined as the ratio of output voltage to input voltage. Now substitute here, so it becomes 600 millivolts divided by 30 microvolts. So here 0 cancel, it becomes 20 into, so milli means 10 power minus 3, so micro becomes 10 power 6 when it becomes numerator. So that's equal to 20 into 10 cube, that's equal to 20,000. So this is the voltage gain for the given amplifier, and this is the process for getting the voltage gain. So whenever input voltage and output voltage is given. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.